Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate White Ops bot detection, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate White Ops bot detection, start by logging into, navigate to the dashboard to access your project overview. Select the specific project you want to enable bot detection for. Locate the Settings tab within the project menu. In the Settings section, find the Bot Detection option. Toggle the bot detection setting to on. Review the configuration options available for bot detection. Adjust the detection sensitivity according to your needs. Consider enabling additional features like traffic filtering for enhanced security. Once you've configured the settings, click the Save button to apply your changes. Verify that the bot detection status shows as active on your dashboard. To test the functionality, visit a few pages on your site. Monitor the activity logs for any bot detection alerts. If bots are detected, review the recommendations provided by White Ops. After reviewing, adjust settings as necessary to improve detection accuracy. For ongoing monitoring, schedule regular reviews of your bot detection settings. Stay updated with White Ops documentation for any new features or changes. By following these steps, you will have successfully activated White Ops bot detection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.